Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for March 14th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We saw another pretty quiet day on Wall Street, as you can see here on the Dow. Very low range, low volume. We did get some disappointing home sales data, but everything just quiet, completely quiet across the board. The Dow finished higher by 7 points. The S&P 500 dropping by 2 points. The Nasdaq was lower by 12.5 points, and the Russell pulling back by 6 points. The bond market also trading lower today, and the yield on the 10-year note moving up to 2.626%. Crude oil did hit a 4-month high today, although it was just gained 26 cents or 0.45%, while gold futures pulling back almost 14 points today. This on a move for the US dollar. Nice little rebound today, making back about half of yesterday's loss there. Now, yesterday, as you know, there was an outage across the board for Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. Today, the company came out and did blame a server configuration change for the outage, but also announced the departure of 2 more executives. And, they've had a lot of turnover there recently, but today they announced that Chief Product Officer Chris Cox and WhatsApp Vice President Chris Daniels will both be leaving the company. Now, despite all this negative news, shares of Facebook have been resilient. I mean, today they did drop $3.20 or 1.85%, but really it was nothing in the grand scheme of things. And, they're holding on. They've been in a bit of a range recently here, and there's gaps on either side. There's a big gap to close up above here, but there's also a gap below here. So these levels, the high of this recent range and the low of the recent range, will determine which gap gets closed next, really. And if we look at the weekly chart, again, you can see that it's recovered off these lows, but is facing overhead resistance here. And the monthly having difficulty getting back above that 20-period moving average. So where will it go next? Well, keep an eye on these levels. The 174-ish level at the top here and the 160 level below. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.